Hello YouTube, I'm going to show you how to create a Minecraft server just like this one. So it won't be exactly like this map or anything, but the download to this map may be in the description. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it. I'm kind of lazy. But so let's get started. So first of all, you're going to want to create a folder. So let's create new. This is a Bukkit server, by the way. Create new folder. Let's name it. I'm trying to be quick for you guys. Rename. YouTube server. Alright, so put it up here. So first of all, we're going to install Bukkit. If you don't have it already installed, see, I already have it installed there, but we can install it again for just Bukkit sakes. Okay, so this is Bukkit dev. We don't want that. Alright, Bukkit. Let's go back to bukkit.org. Get craftbukkit. Alright. Setting up a server tells you all the information here, but if you're challenged like me, you're going to need a video. So I'm running Windows, but it doesn't really matter what one you use. But you're going to click craftbukkit recommend a build. After you do that, it should download quite fastly, so I'm not going to pause the video. This is craftbukkit. Let me pause it here. I'll be right back. Alright, back after that long mess. That was pretty inconvenient what I just did there, but anyways. So you got your craftbukkit folder and you're going to drag it into your YT server. And then you should have craftbukkit in here. Now, I don't know this off by heart. It's a certain code, but I don't exactly know it. So I'll get that code for you and pause the video. Alright guys, I'm back, and so once you're in your YT thing, you're gonna open up new, and then you're gonna want to go to there it is, text document. And you're gonna go to that, and then you're gonna open it. It's gonna be Notepad, right? Nothing's there. Wow, my server's gone. No. Alright, just copy and paste it from my other server. MC server. So this is my other server. Let's edit this. So I have quite a bit of RAM on my computer, so I use 7000M, but we're gonna set this up for 4000M. If you have 4 gigabytes, stick to around 4000M, please. So I will not be charged with. This is not my fault if your computer crashes because it can't take that much RAM, but so whatever. Since say you just want to make it with your friends, I'd start it off with like 1000M, because that's really all you need if you're just gonna have a couple of plugins because you want to mess around. Alright, and yes, pause should be in there, so it pauses when it gets up correctly. So after you save that, it should be all up. So you go to YT server, and look at that. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. Alright, so after it's done downloading, I'll unpause. Alright guys, I'm back. That was a very long time because I had to get something to eat, but I guess it wasn't long for you guys. So let's put server notepad. I figured out how to do it. So, file, save. Here, let's just reset everything. So we don't want to get ourselves screwed up here. Don't save. And save. Alright, so I have it copied, so there's no worries. We're gonna open, we don't want that. The recommended is 1,000. I know I said 2,004, but that depends how many slots you want on your server. So 1,000M, that's just your RAM. You're gonna go to save, and then you're gonna save as, and you're gonna go to server. Now pay close attention to this. Alright, this text document, you want to switch to all files. You want to switch to all files, and then what you're going to do is you're going to make sure ANSI is selected, and then at the end of your name, you're going to type .bat, so you add the bat extension, so make sure you put that. Alright, save, and look at that, we have it done. Now exit, now look at that, beautiful. You can click it and you're going to run it. Look at that. Warning, perhaps server is already running on that port? Yes, because the server is already running on that port. I'm currently hosting a different server, but you click that and you should get a bunch of things, like here's your server, Minecraft properties, you want game mode, you want that, spawn animals true, spawn server IP, whatever IP you want to have it on. Let's put this one, 192.168.2.2. Let's file that up, save it. Now let's see if it'll load now. There we go, now we got it spawning. Alright, so now it's referring to spawn area. Alright, since I'm running two servers at the same time, this is going to be rather laggy. And yes, I'm going to keep this server, if that's what you're wondering, for a Hunger Games server. That's why I only put it at 1,000, a little bit under, because you don't need to build anything. So we're going to go to that. We're going to go to, localhost. Since we haven't really, apparently this is on my localhost. Okay, well, disconnect that, and then we're going to go to, oh, well, I guess they're running on the same IP, so I'm going to have to close this. Tyler sent a message through the broadcast saying that the server will be back up if there's people on it, because I have to close it real quick. Alright. Ho. Were they randoms? Oh wow, we shouldn't have left then if they joined. Oh. Okay, well, that's good. Alright, guys. So that's down. Now we're gonna go to localhost. Connecting to the server, refuse connection. Well, maybe if we type in our real IP, since I already port forward. There we go, we're logging in here. Alright, so this is where we spawned. Alright, so, well, now look what we got here. We got a brand new world. We might as well be playing single player, right? Yeah, well, so we gotta fix that. It's rather laggy, because I'm running two servers and a Skype and playing on a server at the same time. And one of my servers is 7,000 yeah, 7,000 RAM, but it's in millis or something. I forget what it's called, but it's measured in a RAM. A lot of RAM, and I got like 9 Windows tabs open, so it's pretty laggy. So if we got that, that's great. All right. Why don't we take a look at this? You're gonna go to our server. You don't want this here. I don't know why it's right here, but we're gonna delete it. Yes. So we're gonna go to a YT server. We're gonna go to our server permissions and look at all this. We got max players. Alright, this is gonna be a Hunger Games server, so I'm gonna put it around 50, because that's a good fair amount of people. Spawn protection, you're gonna put this at 0, because we don't really care. MOTD, whatever you want it to say when you enter the server. Let's say EDM Gaming first ever mine craft server. Alright, so we got that down. So then we're gonna you can just put all these in. Hardcore, sniper. We're gonna put hardcore to true because we're making it Hunger Games. And then server port, always leave that alone. Level type, you can do whatever you want. Archon, enable Archon, doesn't really matter. Level seed, you can make it whatever you want. And that's about it. Now, I'm going to show you a couple of things. We're on time shortness, so I'm going to pause the video and then I'm going to start it back up in a minute. Alright, so you get the mod you would like to download. I want to download a Hunger Games mod. That's not the only mod. Since there's 1,000 M's, I could probably download quite a few mods, or plugins, whatever you want to call them. Save. You want to make sure you save it and then open it in folder, so that when you have this jar file, you can just easily drag it to your library. Okay, this is the YT server. Alright, so make Hunger Games. We're gonna throw those in there. And that's all you have to do for the plugin. And then you're gonna stop it safely. You're gonna go back to your folder and you're gonna run it again. I will later put the how to successfully join the server, the servers together later in a different tutorial. Like, I'm trying to code in a custom link that says, I'm not the first one to do this, but they code in plugin 0. Apparently there's 0 plugins. Can we drag this to the right thing? Oh, we didn't drag this to the right thing. Alright, that's why. Alright. No, that didn't work. So we had to drag that. So, /re. Here, I'm just gonna stop the server. Alright, so we have this back again. Alright, so we're still not up yet though. So, /Hunger Games. Alright, here's all our commands. My friend just suggested something. It's the config, list main commands and or reload, manage arenas. So let's go /HG arena. Alright, so we did that. Teleport to the cornucopia. That's cool. Create a new arena at your location. This is the perfect spot to create our new arena, isn't it? Oh yes, this is the perfect spot. So we got a little bit of trouble behind this. Oh, that was kind of mean. Got a little bit of a trouble. Oh. 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 Okay. Oh. 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 Okay. 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 Well, I'm gonna show you. That kind of disturbed me, so I'm gonna show you how to op people. You can either. I preferably like to go into my ops and then type Duke Fan 03 and then file save. but a lot of people don't like doing that. So I'm gonna just go up Duke Fan 03. Now the console opt to me. It has to be the exact name or it won't work. So look at that. Look at that. I'm opt slash GM1 to go slash GM1. Okay, apparently that doesn't work. Slash game mode 1 to change your game mode to creative. 1 is creative, 0 is like PvP kind of thing, like normal, I think. Alright, so slash. This is where the cornucopia is going to be, guys. No, I liked it over there better. I got lucky. I got lucky with this. This is a beautiful map for this. Slash HG create. Okay, so slash HG arena. Alright, so there's all this, and you don't really need to see this. So I showed you how to op, I showed you how to do everything else. So last thing, guys, to download a custom map, you will go to Google and you'll just type in, say, like, Minecraft city map. And you'll get like that, and then it'll tell you to download that there. Then when you download that link, when you download the map, you'll open it in an RAR file, and you will drag your old world out and drag that one in, and then go to server, and when it says level name, you'll erase world and put the name of the server thing you just said. Thanks for watching, guys. The links will be in the description.